This is the demonstration of using the location setup in Auto Mute Rings. Upon clicking on the Setup tab, we can see various of settings. The location setting is where we tell the phone to mute in a specific place. Initially, the AGPS switch is turned off. Before switching it on, users are suggested to read the important notes about this feature. Firstly, we click the AGPS checkbox to enable it. Depends on existing settings on your phone. A warning may be shown and ask you to change the system settings. Now press Yes, and it will bring us to the system menu. In the system location settings screen, please uncheck the Use GPS satellites and check the Use wireless network. Then, we can back to our application. Now, we can click the location picker to bring up a map. This is the place where we will define the effective location to mute the phone. The text area on the top is going to show the saved effective address if we have already marked one. There are 4 buttons below. The first button shows us about our last known position using a blue dot. Please aware, if you have the Use GPS satellites turn on, you may need much more time before the last known position can be shown. We may now tap on the screen to define the effective location. The blue circle around the pin marker indicates the effective area. This area can be enlarged as needed in the setting menu. We will see it later. To save the marked location, we click the last of the 4 buttons. If Google has provided the address inquiry service in your area, the marked street address will be shown in the text area. If the blue dot appears inside the marker's circle, we are in the effective range and the phone mutes. As you can see, the second button is now enabled. The saved marked will be shown when clicking on it. The third button is used to remove the saved marker. Going back to the settings screen, there is an option to extend the effect range. You may choose up to 3 times the default range. By changing this, you will see the blue circle around the pin marker is also changed accordingly in the location picker.